Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you are going to manage your Reels. Sometimes after posting your Reels, you don't see them again. Where do you see the Reels you have posted? Maybe you want to delete it because it has gone against some Facebook policies, or you want to do another thing, you want to do something with it. You can no longer find where it is, except from your main page. You can no longer find it on the back end to make any edit. Let me show you what you can do. Go to your Facebook, where you're on their normal page. This is Facebook. You go to this little three dots here, click on it. Then you go all the way to your settings and privacies. Under it, settings and privacies. Then settings. You see settings. Under the settings, you go down. Go all the way down until you see activity log. On this activity log, once you click it, it will bring out for you your Facebook activity. Here, you click on it, then you see comment and reactions post, and then you continue to go down. Go down until you see Reels, and under that you see your activity with Reels on Facebook. Manage your Reels. That is what you are looking for. Once you click on this, you'll be able to see everything that you have posted here all through all your Facebook Reels. They keep going down. For instance, if you know the page, maybe a recent post that you have made that has actually gone against Facebook policies, or maybe you want to delete it. And when you look for it on your normal posts, you can no longer see them or see it. This is where you can see it. You go and check the then once you click it, maybe for today, let's say this is a particular post that I made on 17th October 2024. I can click on it and see the video. Say, oh, this is the video I want. I want to delete this. It's either I click here and delete it, or I do other things, but you have to be sure you can no longer edit your real videos. Reels, you can no longer edit them. You can no longer find the button where you can edit them. So it's more or less whether you want to delete it, or whether you want to turn off stars for it, or whether you want to do other managing work for it, maybe to put into your favorites or to unfollow people. But I think whenever this one is more for delete, if you want to delete any of the videos. If there are groups of videos, you just have to come and you click each one of them and you delete it. Click this one, okay, delete it. And when you are done with it, then you can be sure that it's no longer showing only your page and no longer having the violation maybe that it had. If this video helps you, do us a favor of following for more information. Follow this page and then click on the bell icons for the new and to get our new updates. God bless you.